Hey everybody, WolfeFx here. This is my Dinosaur Face Paint design. Like, follow, and subscribe. Enjoy. Bye. I'll be back. Outlining my design with just a eye pencil or lip pencil. Using a one stroke from a split cake and tracing in my design. Going ahead and filling it in with white face paint. Using a stencil and a sponge to make some texture onto the skin. Putting in some details. You gotta have the horns. Now doing my outline with black. Oh, I messed up. Everybody saw it. Yes, I did. I messed up. But let's go in and fix it right away. More detail, the better. Thank you everybody for watching. I'm pretty much done. I decided to put a mouth on my dinosaur. And I just want to fill that in real quick. But thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any other crazy designs that you would like me to do, please leave in the comments and I will do them. Have a great night, everyone.